Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore the fascinating world of data analytics, how it works, its key components, different types, and why it is so important in today's data-driven world. So let's dive in. What is data analytics? Data analytics is the process of examining, organizing, and interpreting raw data to uncover valuable insights, patterns, and trends that help in decision-making. It's like turning a big pile of information into something useful that can guide businesses, organizations, and even individuals in making smarter decisions. First, let's break down the essential steps involved in data analytics. The first one is data collection. This is where everything begins. Data is collected from various sources like databases, websites, surveys, or even sensors. The more diverse the sources, the richer the data. The second one is data cleaning. Before we can analyze data, it needs to be cleaned. This step involves removing any inaccuracies, duplicates, or incomplete data, ensuring that what we're working with is high quality. The third one is data analysis. This is where the magic happens. Using statistical tools, algorithms, and software like Python, XLR, or Tableau, we dig into the data to identify trends, patterns, and relationships. This helps us make sense of all the raw information. The fourth one is data visualization. Finally, we need to present the findings understandably. Data visualization involves creating graphs, charts, and dashboards that help make the results easier to interpret. Now let's look at the different types of data analytics. The first one is descriptive analytics. This type of analysis focuses on answering the question, what happened? And it's all about summarizing historical data to understand past events. For example, looking at last year's sales trends can help you understand how your business performed. The second one is diagnostic analytics. Now we're digging deeper into the why. Diagnostic analytics help explain why something happened. For instance, if sales dropped for a product, you might analyze customer reviews or pricing changes to find out the reasons behind it. The third one is predictive analytics. Predictive analytics is all about forecasting the future. By using historical data and machine learning, we can predict future trends or events. For example, you could predict next month's sales based on seasonal trends. The next one is prescriptive analytics. The final type is prescriptive analytics, which answers the question, what should we do about it? It suggests actions to achieve the desired outcomes. For example, you might use prescriptive analytics to recommend the optimal inventory levels for your business to avoid stockouts. So, where can data analytics be applied? The answer is pretty much everywhere. In business, data analytics helps optimize marketing strategies, improve customer satisfaction, and increase profits. Think of Amazon recommending products based on your browsing history. That's exactly how data analytics work. In healthcare, it's used for tracking patient health, predicting disease outbreaks, and even optimizing treatment plans. Wearable devices like fitness trackers use data analytics to monitor health metrics in real time. In finance, banks and financial institutions use data analytics for fraud detection, risk management, and investment predictions. For instance, banks can detect unusual credit card transactions using data analytics. In sports, performance analysis, player scouting, and game strategy all benefit from data analytics. Whether it's analyzing a cricket player's performance or optimizing a football team's tactics, data is the key. In e-commerce, from personalized shopping experiences to demand forecasting, data analytics play a huge role in the e-commerce sector, helping businesses predict what their customers need and when. So, why is data analytics such a big deal? It provides data-driven insights that help people make more informed decisions. Rather than guessing, you're relying on actual data to guide your choices. Data analytics helps identify bottlenecks in processes, allowing businesses to optimize their operations and improve efficiency. It uncovers hidden opportunities for new products, services, or improvements. Through data, you might discover market gaps or emerging trends that weren't obvious before. And that's a quick overview of data analytics. Whether it's helping businesses grow, improving customer experiences, or even predicting future trends, data analytics is revolutionizing the way we make decisions. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you never miss out on an update. And if you have any questions or thoughts on data analytics, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.